Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with ShipStation shipping software, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with ShipStation, first, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.shipstation.com and hit enter. Once the ShipStation homepage loads, locate the Start for Free button. Click on the Start for Free button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a registration page where you need to provide your email address. Enter a valid email address that you will use for your ShipStation account. Next, create a strong password that meets the security requirements provided. Confirm your password by typing it again in the designated field. After filling out the required information, click on the Create Account button. You may be asked to verify your email address, so check your inbox for a confirmation email. Open the email from ShipStation and click on the verification link provided. Once your email is verified, return to the ShipStation website. Log in using the email and password you just created. Upon logging in, you will see an onboarding tutorial to help you set up your account. Follow the prompts to add your store by selecting from the list of available integrations. You will be guided to connect your store by entering the necessary credentials. After linking your store, proceed to add shipping carriers by navigating to the shipping section. Select the carriers you wish to use and follow the prompts for authentication. Once your carriers are set up, configure your shipping preferences in the settings menu. Review your account settings to ensure everything is correct. After completing these steps, your ShipStation account will be fully registered and ready for use. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the various features available. You're now set to start managing your shipping needs with ShipStation efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.